We are pleased to show you the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, HID headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.